Today I'm going to show you a quick trick to fix scratchy volume pots or tone pots. Now, what'll happen is like you'll play, and then as you back the volume off, it'll either you can feel the scratchiness in the pot, or you can actually hear it with your ears. And if you can hear it, that really sucks because it prevents you from doing volume swells or anything. It's actually pretty easy to fix. If you don't want to spend any money, the best way to do it is to just turn this back and forth. Turn it back and forth. And that'll usually work it out for a while. Only problem with that is it doesn't usually keep it out. It'll come back in a day or two. So what I have here is this product, which is an electronics contact cleaner. And I'm going to show you how to use it right now. Alright, so we're back and I have my guitar here. What you want to do is you want to get a pick. Actually, you could use two for this job. I don't have two on hand, so I'll just use one. What you want to do is slide it underneath the knob and then pry it off, just like that. Okay, so now you can see the potentiometer there. Then what you want to do is spray a little bit of this in it. Not that much is probably good. Actually, I probably should have gotten a paper towel or something for this. So then once you do that, you want to work the knob back and forth. And you want to make sure you work the bottom side and the top side. So after you've worked that a bit, take the deoxidizing spray, spray a little bit more in, and work that around. So I got a paper towel here. I'm just going to clean off all the excess that's sprayed like everywhere. Okay, so I got that all cleaned up, and we're just going to let this soak here for another like maybe 2 minutes or so. Yeah, the thing says don't plug it in until 2 minutes. So we're going to wait 2 minutes and we're going to test it. If it doesn't fix, what you can always do is just apply it again and keep working it out. What that'll do is it'll work out all the built up rust and all the corrosion, anything that's in here that shouldn't be in here. It'll help work that out. So if it doesn't get it once, just hit it again. Alright, so we're back. It's been 2 minutes. We've let it sit, and you can hear. Clean volume swells. So all the scratchiness has been worked out. Also, I think what I've found is this actually improves the tone as well as just improving general conductivity. So this is good for your knobs whether they scratch or not. You can hear it smooth now. Alright, that's it for the video.